Mình tên là Hmong rồi à.
Nó chỉ phải chạy
George.
George, okay, nice to meet
chạy
you.
rú rú nó bây giờ sẽ khỏa nó được sát nó đây thôi sát tận nó sát nó chỉ là mua tận thọ nhưng chúng nó khó spec chẳng hạn nó thời việc khó còn thời thảo thì cho nó chỉ yêu lòng đồ sát tỏ nó sát tỏ sẽ không sát từ đó cái sát tỏ nó chỉ mua mình chỉ xin cái sát tỏ nó một sát tận nó cái sát tận thì mua mình chỉ xin cái bên một sát tận nó đây có thể học từ sát tận nó mà đây sai sẽ có thể học là tới đây
Everything we have is basically in the middle.
In the middle?
All in the middle. Anything along the side of the road or by a tree, it's already taken and put on hold.
Gotcha.
We have some more availability on the other side, but it's the same thing. Anything along the side of the road or by trees taken. But over there, it's a lot shorter, so it might be easier to find if you guys, but I'm going to go show you over there. Yeah.
Thank you. Nhớ chị cho tao nhớ chị là chị lợi dụng tao chuẩn cho nhau một lợi xin.
bây giờ thì dưới năng pli chạy tới còn chơi yếu tố có chơi tì cho thế nó giờ giờ thân tôi thấuอยู่chuyến ba nè giờ sáng nó chạy nhiều tia cho rồi tất nhiên màอยู่chuyến một choa lên nèอยู่chuyến một choa lên nó chạy lấy trả lòng chơi yếu tố là một con nó nè cái để nó đáp lại với nó nè còn là tất nhiên nó tia cho rồi họอยู่nhẹ cho nó yếu ta đấy ó giờ thì phải gió sai tới nó nè sáng nói sáng này nó lông chỗ lại nó đâu
From right here.
From right here. So this is still available in the middle.
In the middle. See how there's a big old open space there? Yeah, going all the way along that way.
Gotcha.
And to where that last tree's at, that's it.
I think sát tao nó sát lâu tao nó
Good nhỉ? Để nó.
sát tao nó rơi rồi muốn sát tao nó
Okay, so that
Yeah.
side? Okay,
Yeah.
so I guess if you could get closer to that side.
Well, anything along here, like I said, it's all in the middle.
It's only in the middle.
Only in the middle. If he's trying to look for anything along the edge, it's not going to happen. Everything's in the middle.
hôm nay lòng gỗ sao
Yeah.
The side
And
left, no better.
It's a little closer, that's why I'm going to say.
Yeah. I think we can shop another one.
sẽ phải nó sẽ bộ tì có
No, we the whole lớn đâu chỉ tàu thôi nè.
See where that red pole's at?
Uh-huh.
Right there, that's our line basically.
Low.
All along that alley.
Okay.
จะสิรถคอนโดbây giờ là tụi mình
Is
phải
that
đây
like the main pipe right there? Or the...
No, that's our water hose. That's
A
where
water
people come to get
hose.
water and stuff. But that's basically our invisible line
Okay.
to know what we can sell.
Okay.
Everything else from that red thing this way is already taken. Put on hold.
So the red all the way towards the
Or
back.
as where the red's at.
Okay.
See right there how it's empty? Yeah, just that general area.
Okay. Tôi có lúc tôi trông thấy. Okay.
buộc
So,
kiểu nó
cân nhiệt của tôi.
những tới nó rơi tụi đen nó sao rồi nó tụi đen nó còn nó phải không
So,
Đây nó không-
nó có chi nhiều lắm.
rơi tụi đen sao rồi còn nó tia sao rồi
Is that the sprinkler right there?
Yes.
yeah còn nó
The
có sprinkler
Okay.
저 스프링클 하나. 루나 보여 스프링클 돼.
No, that's a block marker. That's where we
marker.
find the graves.
어.
Can I call it low?
또 넘버 보여. 거 런 넘버 보여.
So can I put you here?
I think
Do right here? No, nhân đây sao là chị nói okay?
但是有组织个这路那么去吧，了可落下来。
Is it this row and then
We
that
have
row?
4 rows actually.
Oh, there's
We got
4
one there, one here, one there, and then one on the other side.
Okay. Nói đi. Có bao nhiêu đó? It's for my dad. So we're gonna.
thì còn nó thì nhỏ xíu rồi.
So will it be like straight from that here or?
Yeah, all these are gonna hook up together.
Okay, gotcha.
thì giờ có số nó tháo.
So and then.
Tao hậu tiền nó lâu chọn
So
nó.
with the head, which direction would the head?
That'll be right here.
Head here.
Feet that way.
Feet this way.
Nó vậy. Mình thấy là những ok đó. Nó nó sao nó đấy. Nó tự sao nó.
I know. It go 여기 있잖아. Here or here? I think yeah, not better. And this would be the very end, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
그래서 가로 짜지를 쭉 짜건 작건 nó.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right here. Good one.
Yeah.
Good bella. Right here. So it'll be like here.
That
right?
would be the last one now.
Okay, right here. Lala?
Có rồi tụi nó giờ nằm với xa trâu nè, ok. Số thật chờ nè, bé là một béo phí, bé là một thịt như vậy, bé một trẻ thế nè. Nó là thịt nha.
$345. The 1330 breaks down in these 3 charges.
Gotcha.
His opening and closing is $950. His non-residency fee of $1,035. $595 for the marker setting fee.
Okay.
Gives you the $5,520. The $45 fee gives you the $5,565.
Okay. All right. And then on top is that
Yes,
the line?
top.
Okay.
Yep, and don't need the address. Just buy a wire on it.
Sheltana. Okay, nothing. All right. And then the buyers, do I fill in?
Nope, you're good.
We're good. Okay.
Yep, you're good. I don't know whose card that was,
That's
but
his.
you need the signature on that one.
Okay.
Rồi.
Yeah, like most Hmong families, they don't like pre-planning because they feel it's taboo. But for us, we're like, no, we can't do that.
You know what? I do know that.
Yeah, like, we can't do that. Oh my gosh, especially last year, it was like unexpected.
Your mom passed last year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it, like we knew it was coming, but we were still in that denial. We were hoping we'd have more time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cho nó cái sản phẩm ta rồi rồi. Thì cho nó cái là một chế rồi.
So in the package I'm giving you for Dad is going to be the pre-need showing he is paid in full.
Okay.
This is his certificate of burial rights at one point, allowing us to bury him in 766 1 Southwest North.
Okay.
This also is your receipt showing everything is paid in full. Lists the grave space location again, and your space is going to be listed in like 3 different places. Shows you paid me $5,565. You owe 0 for Dad, and then that's your breakdown.
Okay. Perfect.
Alrighty. Do you have any questions for me?
I can use any vendor for the
You can
headstone,
use
right?
any vendor you choose.
Right. And then it has to be flat, correct?
Yes, they do. You are correct.
Okay.
You are set.
This was easy.
Yeah,